Imagine stepping outside and seeing a lush green picture-perfect lawn, without waiting months for patchy grass to grow. Sounds too good to be true? Well, there's a secret technique landscapers use, and today we're revealing exactly how you can do it at home. It's called hydroseeding, and it's the fastest, most efficient way to grow a healthy, beautiful yard without breaking the bank. Whether you're dealing with bare spots, erosion, or an entire lawn that needs an upgrade, hydroseeding could be the game-changing trick you've been looking for. In this video, we'll break down what hydroseeding is, why it's better than traditional seeding, and a step-by-step guide to help you hydroseed your yard like a pro. If you're ready to transform your lawn, keep watching because this might just be the best trick you've ever learned. Hydroseeding is a fast, efficient, and professional method of planting grass using a specialized slurry mixture of grass seed, mulch, fertilizer, and water. Instead of scattering dry seeds by hand or laying sod, hydroseeding sprays this nutrient-rich mixture directly onto the soil, ensuring even coverage and rapid germination. The mulch helps retain moisture, protect the seeds, and provide essential nutrients, making the grass grow faster and healthier compared to traditional seeding methods. This technique is widely used in commercial landscaping, erosion control, and residential lawn care because it promotes strong root development, prevents soil erosion, and produces a thick, green lawn in a shorter time. Unlike traditional seeding, which often results in patchy growth, hydroseeding ensures uniform distribution and reduces seed loss due to wind, water, or birds. This method is also more cost-effective than laying sod, making it an excellent option for homeowners and landscapers looking to establish a lush, vibrant lawn efficiently. Hydroseeding is particularly beneficial for large areas, slopes, and difficult terrains where traditional seeding might fail. And with the right conditions, grass can begin to sprout within a week and fully establish in just a few weeks. Hydroseeding offers several advantages over traditional seeding and sod installation, making it one of the most effective methods for growing a healthy lawn. One of its biggest benefits is faster seed germination, as the mulch in the hydroseeding mixture retains moisture, provides essential nutrients, and protects seeds from harsh weather conditions, allowing grass to sprout within days instead of weeks. Another key advantage is even seed distribution, ensuring that every part of the lawn receives an equal amount of seed, fertilizer, and mulch, preventing patchy or uneven growth. Hydroseeding is also more cost-effective than sod, providing the same high-quality results at a fraction of the cost, while allowing the grass to develop a stronger root system as it grows directly in the soil. Additionally, this method is eco-friendly, as it requires fewer chemicals and helps reduce soil erosion by stabilizing the ground, making it ideal for sloped or uneven landscapes. Unlike traditional hand seeding, which often leads to seeds being washed away by rain or eaten by birds, hydroseeding creates a protective layer that holds everything in place, resulting in a thicker, greener, and more resilient lawn in a much shorter time. The hydroseeding process involves several key steps that ensure successful grass growth by creating the ideal environment for seed germination. The first step is preparing the soil, which includes clearing debris, removing weeds, and loosening the top layer of soil to improve seed contact and absorption of nutrients. Next, the hydroseeding mixture is prepared, consisting of grass seed, mulch, fertilizer, water, and a tackifier, which helps the mixture stick to the ground and prevents it from washing away. Once the slurry is fully mixed, it is loaded into a hydroseeding machine or a specialized pressure sprayer, which evenly sprays the mixture across the lawn in a smooth and controlled manner. This application method ensures uniform seed distribution, creating a protective layer that locks in moisture, provides nutrients, and shields the seeds from erosion, wind, and pests. After the slurry is applied, proper watering and maintenance are essential for successful germination, requiring light watering multiple times a day for the first couple of weeks to keep the mulch moist and encourage root development. With the right conditions, the grass begins to sprout in as little as a week, and within a few weeks, a thick, lush lawn starts to take shape, making hydroseeding one of the most efficient and effective methods for growing healthy grass. Hydroseeding your yard yourself is a cost-effective and efficient way to achieve a lush, green lawn, and the process can be broken down into a few simple steps. First, gather all necessary materials, including a hydroseeding machine or a high-pressure sprayer, grass seed suitable for your climate, hydroseeding mulch, fertilizer, water, and a tackifier to help the mixture adhere to the soil. Next, prepare the ground by clearing the area of rocks, weeds, and debris, then loosening the topsoil to improve water absorption and root penetration. Once the soil is ready, mix the hydroseeding slurry by combining water, seed, mulch, and fertilizer in the correct proportions to create a thick, well-blended mixture. Then, using a sprayer, apply the slurry evenly across the lawn in a smooth, overlapping motion, ensuring full coverage to prevent patchy growth. After application, keep the area moist by watering lightly several times a day, as the mulch helps retain moisture, creating the perfect environment for seed germination. Within a week, the seeds should start sprouting, and in a few weeks, you'll see a thick, healthy lawn forming, making DIY hydroseeding an easy and rewarding method for transforming your yard. To achieve the best results with hydroseeding, it's essential to follow professional techniques that ensure even coverage, strong germination, and long-lasting growth. First, choose high-quality grass seed that suits your climate and soil type, as this will determine the durability and appearance of your lawn. Next, make sure your hydroseeding mixture has the right balance of seed, mulch, fertilizer, water, and tackifier, as an improper mix can lead to poor adhesion and uneven growth. When applying the slurry, use a steady, overlapping spray pattern to avoid missing any areas and ensure consistent coverage across the lawn. After application, maintain proper watering by keeping the soil consistently moist but not oversaturated, as this helps the seeds germinate quickly without being washed away. Additionally, avoid foot traffic on the newly seeded area for at least 3 to 4 weeks, giving the roots time to establish and spread. Regularly monitor growth and apply a balanced fertilizer once the grass reaches a few inches in height to promote thicker, healthier turf. By following these expert tips and maintaining proper care, you can achieve a lush green lawn that looks like it was done by a professional, making hydroseeding one of the most effective and rewarding lawn care methods available. Hydroseeding is an incredible technique that offers a fast, efficient, and cost-effective way to achieve a lush green lawn. By understanding how it works, following the proper steps, and maintaining your lawn with care, you can transform your yard into a beautiful, healthy landscape. We made this video because so many of you asked us to cover hydroseeding, and we hope it has provided you with the knowledge and confidence to try it yourself. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more lawn care tips. We can't wait to see your results, and we hope this helps you grow the perfect lawn.